Welcome to IMS GATE Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the ISRO. They are recruiting for the scientist engineer SC with BE BTech or equivalent degree in electronics, mechanical and computer science. Let's see the number of posts, name of post and the essential qualifications. So we can see for electronics the number of posts are 21, for mechanical number of posts are 33, for computer science number of posts are 14. The essential qualification for all these three branches is mentioned here. So the essential qualification, either you are from electronics, mechanical or computer science, the candidate must have a BE BTech or equivalent degree with 65% marks plus a valid GATE scorecard. So if you are from electronics, then your paper code must be EC. If you are from mechanical, then paper code ME. If you are from CS, then paper code must be CS. And the age limit is 28 years as on the 19th December 2022. One more important instruction that the candidates will be called for the interview on the basis of GATE 2021 or a 2022 scores. So it's valid for GATE 2021 and a 2022 valid scorecards. Okay, so they are not asking about GATE marks or GATE rank, they are asking about GATE score only. Okay, we can see how to apply. Candidate can apply online. Okay, and it will be started from 29th of the November, that is from tomorrow, and the last date of applying is 19th December 2022. Right, so we can see the application fees also here. The application fees rupees 250 is application fee. You can go through the online and offline mode of payment. Okay, last date of payment will be 21st December. Last date of online application submission will be 19th of the December. Okay, the process for application payment is also given here. You can go through the online or offline. In online we can see the net banking and debit card or credit card is here, and in offline we can see the SBI Challan. So you can go through the details. Okay, here the very important thing, selection process. So the selection process will be based on the final panel will be made by the 50% weightage for GATE score and 50% weightage to the interview marks. Okay, so we can see the candidate will be assessed based on the following attributes. Here we are having the 4 categories: technical academic knowledge 40 marks, general awareness in area of specialization 20 marks, presentation and communication skill 20 marks, comprehension 10 marks, and academic achievement is also here. So that this which is having 10 marks. So total is 100 marks. Candidates will have to score minimum 60 marks in the interview, and you can go through the details here. And once again, the important dates, the dates are the online application registration will start from the 29th of the November 2022. Closing date will be 19th December. Last date for payment of fee will be 21st December 2022. So guys, if you think you are eligible for this post, you can apply and you can go through the